Are you trying to find your Amazon orders, but you can't find it? Or you just think that your order history is just simply missing from Amazon? In this video, I'm going to share with you what to do to find your orders. So you want to go ahead and start out by going to Amazon.com first and foremost, guys, as you can see. So Amazon.com. And the most basic thing that you should do is ensure that you're under your card account. So on the upper right, just hover over it and you will see your name and the email address under that account. And this is something that you want to ensure because sometimes some of us have multiple accounts or multiple emails connected to different Amazon account and we're searching for order history or whatever it is and just simply can't find it, not to realize that we're under a different account. And this could be something that you will say, what, I didn't realize that. And so you want to ensure that you're under the correct account. If you're not, just sign out and sign into the correct account, or just simply click on switch if you have both accounts connected, and you just switch between accounts, right? So that's the first thing that you want to do. Now, go to return and orders. You can find it by order return and orders, or hover over this and you will find your orders right here. Or another way is to go to account as well and just go to your orders. So whichever place or button or section or approach you decide to choose, you can go to your orders. Now, how do you find your orders if you think that your order history is missing? You want to go ahead and just notice that the default settings for Amazon is showing the past 3 months. And so if you're looking for an order within the 3 months period, then it should be here if the purchase was made and if the purchase was successful. And if you're not sure if the purchase was made or the purchase was successful, you could just double check two things, right? You could double check to see if it was showing like not shipped yet, just to say, oh, did I really purchase it? Is it under not shipped yet or something like that? And so if it is not there, then they will say, "Oh, what's going on? It's not even showing in my order history. It's not even showing on the not shipped yet. Let me check if the transaction was really successful or not. Because if it's not on the transactions, then you didn't purchase it and no way the order is going to be under your order history. Now, how do you check those transactions? Hover over your account, go to account right here, and you will see the options right here that says your payments. Click on that. And here you will find at the top overview, you'll see your cards and stuff as well. You'll see wallet and you'll see transactions. You click on that. These transactions are going to cover all of your payments that were made on your Amazon account. So everything that you purchase, you will find it here. And so you can find the date, you can find the order number, and you can just either right click and open in a new window and you will be able to view your purchase right here. So the auto details, you will see what was purchased and all of those good stuff. You'll be able to see everything right there. So this is how you'll be able to find all of that, right? So this is where you'll be able to check your order history and you can find the invoice. And if it was successful, guys, you'll find everything right here. So you will see, okay, it was done. It's under my account. And if you can see that it was paid, and it is still not showing up on your order history and it's not on the not shipped yet, then you will need to most likely contact Amazon. Right. So that would be a whole nother thing, but you will need to contact Amazon to say that it's missing. You have it on your payment or your transaction history. And if it's not showing here and you can see it from your bank account that it was made, then that's also a whole nother level of problems that you have. But you would either need to contact your bank, you'll also need to contact Amazon support and share them the, of course, a transaction from your bank to say that it was taken, not showing under my transaction history, not showing under my order history, and you will need to solve that with them. But let me keep it real simple, not too complicated. But of course, these things can happen, guys, right? These things can happen, and you would need to know what you'll have to do next if all of those different scenarios happened for you, right? So, yeah, let's keep it simple. No, so you are able to see it under your transaction history, and you know it was done. So, you want to check the date. So, if it's not shown here, then it was not paid. And of course, it will not be under your order history. But if it was paid and it was, let's say, a long time ago, more than 3 months, then of course, guys, double check this right here to see that the past 3 months is not showing there and you can expand it to see more. So, for example, mine was at the January or something like that, or in December 2025. I can select 2025 and it will now show me. If it was earlier than 3 months, then I need to select 2026 in on a whole to be able to see that, right? So if the order history is missing, that's what you do. Another thing you can do is just use a search to type in what you purchased, right? And it will most likely find that order for you and it will show up right here. So guys, that's generally it. That's how you can find your missing order history, and that's what to do if you're not able to see your Amazon order history. That's what to do if you think that it's missing, and that's generally my advice to you what to do. And of course, I share with you a whole bunch of different story that could happen, and that also applies if you realize that your order history is missing. If you find value within this video, give this video a like. Thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate if you find value as well. And if you do, hit that subscribe button to see more tutorials just like this one.